So hey, welcome back to unfortunately part 2 of this review. But as you can see there is a QR code right there that you can scan. And then you could go to www.research.net // Yu-Gi-Oh! The link will be down there below in the descriptions if you don't want to use the QR code. Pretty much you kind of want your feedback. What cards are you most excited for? What series was the best one of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Series? Metal Waders, Legendary Sisters of the Duelists. Yeah, messed that up. Legendary Duelists, Sisters of the Woes. That pat, or maybe this pat type. They would kind of want to know what cards were hits and misses, what cards would people more excited for, so that they could put them out either in their next series, like random pats, or have an idea of, hey, let's not just make one card in the whole entire world. Let's make like maybe 5 cards of it. Something like that. Where did you buy at? Store, online, so you can know where their sales are going, who's buying them, what ones people are looking for, and all that junk. So, it actually doesn't say anything here about how many cards there is or anything. I guess it says entire set includes 40 cards. Super rare cards are 4 per pack, and 20 secret rare cards 1 per pack. So this pack is guaranteed to have 4 super rares and 1 secret rare. Hopefully, because that's what it's saying right here on it. I don't know if the camera can zoom in because of how shiny it is. But yeah, see, 40 cards, super rare 1 per pack, secret rare. 4 per pack for super rare. Secret rare 1 per pack. So yeah, let's open it up and see what it is. By the way, it's the English edition, first edition. Never actually seen second editions, but I have had a couple Mexican ones, some Fate Not Off ones. Never had a Japanese one, but let's see. Ooh, it's weird. If you could look at this, the cards are actually bent, and I don't know why they're bent because they're laying flat, in here, in the box. So that's actually kind of weird why the cards are bent. Got this little curve to them. But we have Shooting Code Tater, 2300, link free for a link monster. I can't tell if this is super rare or not, but okay. Next up we have Boost Up. What's this one called? Boost Up Corporal Commander Dynamo. Oh, this one was the water monster. This one is Earth 3 stars. 0 attack, 200 defense. Special effect. All of them are hollow foiled, so that's pretty cool. Swap Celtic, Earth level 2. Special effect, 500 attack, 1000 defense. Then we have Fire Formation, Tenzu, continuing spell card. And then we have, I think this one might be the secret rare, because of how more shiny it is, and then Tetris and shiny compared to these ones. But we have Brotherhood of the First Fist, Peacock, Fire, 1000 attack, Link 2. Which is kind of weird. Brotherhood, and you got that as a girl, so shouldn't that be Sisterhood? Not Brotherhood, because that's a girl, that ain't a boy. But yeah, here are 5 cards that we got. Not bad at all, I would say. Definitely, if you want the best place to go to get prices on these cards, CCG, TCG, My Little Pony, Pokemon, and Yu-Gi-Oh! I gotta recommend the best website that's got the dead-on, precise pricing for these cards. And that has to be ToyWiz. ToyWiz.com. Link down below in the description there. If you want to know how much it is, or if it's a superware, ghostware, gold foil card, or any of those things, toywiz.com. Best place around to get your cards priced at. You know, you just go on there, quit like booster cards, Xeno cards, and you're like, okay, Fist of the Gadget series, and then you're like, okay, this one's 50 cents, 50 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, $2. I don't know if that's the actual price of them, but you know, you get what I'm saying, right? But yeah, best place to get your cards to see the prices of them. Everyone else, nah, they don't know how to price cards.